We are today going to study about one of the chapters which is related to aviation, which may be useful for the BBA aviation students. The role of AI in aviation. Artificial intelligence in aviation. Artificial intelligence AI is playing a transformative role in the aviation industry, assisting pilots in various aspects of flight operations to enhance safety, efficiency, and overall performance. Here are several ways AI is contributing. Enhanced flight management, enhanced flight management systems, predictive maintenance, autonomous flight systems, enhanced decision making, air traffic management, virtual co-pilot systems, improved training and simulation, fuel optimization, safety and compliance monitoring. AI in military aviation. An experimental F-16 fighter jet controlled solely by artificial intelligence AI. AI marks one of the biggest advances in military aviation since the introduction of stealth in the early 1990s. Enhanced flight management systems are sophisticated onboard computers that use AI and advanced algorithms to optimize flight operations. These systems integrate various data sources and provide pilots with real-time insights and recommendations to improve efficiency, safety, and overall flight performance. Key functions of enhanced FMS: route optimization, data integration. FMS integrate data from various sources including weather forecast, air traffic control, and historical flight data. Dynamic routing. The system continuously analyzes this data to suggest the most efficient flight path, adjusting to factors like wind patterns, turbulence, and air traffic. If a storm develops along the planned route, the FMS can suggest an alternative path that avoids the adverse weather, ensuring a smoother and safe flight. Fuel management, consumption analysis. FMS monitors fuel usage in real time and compares it with expected consumption. Optimization, it suggests optimal speeds, altitudes, and configurations to minimize fuel burn. Example, during a long haul flight, the FMS might recommend a slight attitude change to take advantage of favorable jet streams, reducing fuel consumption. Performance monitoring. System health. FMS continuously monitors the performance of aircraft systems and components. Predictive alerts. It provides predictive maintenance alerts if it detects any anomalies or potential issues. If the system detects unusual engine vibrations, it can alert the crew and suggest a maintenance check upon landing, preventing potential in-flight failures. Navigation. Accurate positioning. Enhanced FMS can use GPS and other navigation aids to provide precise positioning and navigation guidance. Terrain awareness. It includes terrain mapping and awareness functions to help pilots avoid obstacles. Examples: in mountainous regions, the FMS can provide visual and audio alerts if the aircraft gets too close to the terrain, helping to prevent controlled flight into terrain incidents. Communication data link. FMS facilitates communication between the aircraft and ground stations, sharing flight data and receiving updates. Automation. It can automate certain communications such as position reports, reducing pilot workload. During transoceanic flights where the traditional radar coverage is limited, the FMS can automatically send positions updates via satellite communication to air traffic control. Example scenario: transatlantic flight optimization. Imagine an airline operating a transatlantic flight from New York to London. Here, how an enhanced FMS would optimize this flight. Pre-flight planning. The FMS assesses the latest weather data, including forecasts for the North Atlantic, and integrates this with historical data on winds and jet streams. It suggests an optimal route that maximizes tailwind benefits, potentially reducing flight time by leveraging the strongest jet streams. In-flight adjustment. During the flight, the FMS continuously monitors weather patterns and air traffic. If it detects that the planned route will encounter turbulence or significant headwinds, it suggests a new path. The system advises the pilots to adjust their altitude to avoid turbulence and maintain fuel efficiency. For instance, climbing to a higher altitude where the air is smoother and the winds are more favorable. Fuel management. The FMS tracks real-time fuel consumption and compares it with expected usage. If it detects higher than expected fuel burn, it recommends adjustments in speed or altitude. It also provides real-time updates on remaining fuel, ensuring that the aircraft remains with safe operational limits and can make any necessary adjustments to reach the destination or an alternate airport. Arrival optimization. As the aircraft approaches London, the FMS integrates real-time data from Heathrow air traffic control, including current runway usage and potential delays. It provides recommendations on the most efficient approach and landing procedure, helping to minimize holding patterns and reduce delays. Efficiency. By optimizing routes and fuel management, the enhanced FMS reduces operating cost and environmental impact. Safety. Continuous monitoring and real-time adjustment enhance flight safety, reducing the risk of incidents. Pilot workload. Automating routine tasks and providing timely recommendations allows pilots to focus on critical decision making. Enhanced flight management systems represent a significant advancement in aviation technology, leveraging AI to deliver smarter, safer, and more efficient flight operations. Autonomous flight systems leverage advanced AI and automation technologies to handle various aspects of flight operation, enhancing safety, efficiency, and reducing pilot workload. This system can perform tasks ranging from basic autopilot functions to more complex maneuvers and decision-making processes. Key components and functions of autonomous flight systems. Autopilot enhancements. Basic functions. Traditional autopilots control the aircraft's heading altitude and speed. Enhanced systems use AI to improve these functions with greater precision. Advanced control. AI algorithms manage complex flight dynamics, including turbulence mitigation, optimal climb descent profiles, and smooth navigation around obstacles. Example, in turbulent weather, the system can make rapid adjustments to maintain stability, providing a smoother ride than manual control. Autonomous navigation, path planning. AI analyzes real-time data to plot optimal flight paths, avoiding hazards such as weather disturbances, restricted airspace, and traffic congestion. Dynamic rerouting. During the flight, the system can autonomously reroute the aircraft based on changing conditions. If a storm develops along the flight path, the system autonomously calculates an alternative route, minimizing disruption and maintaining safety. Takeoff and landing automation. Precision approaches. AI systems use sensor data and advanced algorithms to execute precise takeoffs and landings even in adverse conditions. Auto land system. These can also control during landing, guiding the aircraft to a safe touchdown with minimum input from pilots. In low visibility conditions such as heavy fog, and auto land system uses data from aircraft instruments and ground-based systems to land safely. Emergency handling, incident response. AI systems are programmed to handle in-flight emergency from engine failure to cabin depressurization. Decision support. They provide recommendations to pilots or can take autonomous actions if pilots are incapacitated. Example, if one engine fails, the system can balance the aircraft, adjust flight parameters and guide it to the nearest suitable airport for an emergency landing. Communication and coordination. Data link. Autonomous systems maintain constant communication with air traffic control and other aircraft, sharing real-time position and intent data. Collision avoidance. Using AI, these systems can detect and avoid potential collisions by adjusting the flight path. Example, during the dense air traffic, the system can autonomously navigate to avoid other aircraft, maintaining safe separation and coordinating with ATC. Example scenario, autonomous flight from Los Angeles to San Francisco. Imagine an airline operating a short domestic flight from Los Angeles International Airport to San Francisco International Airport. Here are how autonomous flight systems enhance this operation. Pre-flight preparation. The autonomous system performs a comprehensive pre-flight check analyzing weather forecast, flight plans, and aircraft systems. It ensures that all systems are functioning correctly and that the flight path is optimized for current conditions. Takeoff. Once cleared by ATC, the system handles the takeoff route, monitors engine performance, and adjusts control surfaces for optimal liftoff. It ensures a smooth climb, maintaining the safest and most efficient ascent profile. In route navigation, during the flight, the autonomous system continuously monitors all traffic, weather conditions, and aircraft performance. If it detects turbulence ahead, it adjusts the altitude to find a smoother air. It can also reroute the flight path if unexpected weather changes occur. Mid-flight and system detects a developing storm cell along the planned route. It calculates an alternative path, informs ATC of the new route, and adjusts the aircraft trajectory to avoid the storm, ensuring passenger comfort and safety. In-flight adjustment. The system optimizes fuel consumption by adjusting speed and altitude, taking advantage of favorable winds or minimizing headwinds. It constantly checks the aircraft systems, ensuring everything is within normal operational parameters. Real-time data indicates stronger than expected headwinds. The system recalculates the optimal altitude and adjusts the flight level to reduce fuel consumption and maintain the schedule. Descent and landing. As the aircraft approaches SFO, the system coordinates with ATC to receive landing clearance and final approach instructions. It calculates the most efficient descent profile, reducing fuel burn and noise pollution. During the final approach, the auto land system engages using high precision navigation aids to guide the aircraft to safe landing even if visibility is poor due to fog or rain. Example, during descent, the system encounters unexpected low visibility due to fog. It seamlessly transitions to auto land mode using on-board instruments and ground signals to execute a precise landing. Post-landing operations. After landing, the system assists with taxiing, optimizing the route to the gate to avoid congestions on the tarmac. It shuts down the engines efficiently and conducts a post-flight system check, readying the aircraft for its next flight. Benefits of autonomous flight systems: enhance safety, efficiency, consistency. Autonomous visual co-pilot systems are advanced AI-driven assistants that support human pilots by automating routine tasks, providing decision-making assistance, and enhancing situational awareness. These systems leverage AI, machine learning, and data integration to improve flight safety, efficiency, and pilot workload management. Key components and functions of virtual copilot system. Automated monitoring and alert system. Health monitoring. VCP continuously monitors aircraft systems and performance matrices, providing real-time alerts about anomalies or potential issues. Flight path monitoring, decision support, data analysis analyzes weather conditions, air traffic, and other environmental factors. Emergency handling assists in emergency situations by offering step-by-step procedures and options based on real-time data and historical incidents. Routine task automation checklist, enhanced navigation and landing assistance. Scenario: a domestic flight from Delhi to Leh. Consider an airline operating a domestic flight from Indira Gandhi International Airport to Delhi to Kushok Bakula Rimpochi Airport in Leh. This route presents unique challenges such as high altitude flying, complex terrain, and variable weather conditions. Pre-flight preparation, weather analysis, flight plan optimization. In-flight operations, climb and cruise, terrain awareness, fuel management. Navigation, real-time adjustments, communication automation. Descent and landing, low visibility landing, post-landing operations, checklist automation. Benefits of virtual pilot systems, enhance safety, efficiency, reduce pilot workload, consistency. Thank you. This is all about the AI serving the aviation industry. Thank you.